Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy that Boost Blog, and in today's video I'll be making a Blue Lagoon. So to start off with this cocktail, you're going to need 1 part vodka, which is 30 mils. Use good vodka, I'm using 666. Okay, I'm behind the camera now. I didn't like how it went when I was talking in the video, but yeah, just don't use cheap vodka, don't use Smirnoff or all that cheap shit. Like, use good vodka because it's not gonna taste like petrol when it goes on the way down either. Like, 666, like, they've sent me a bottle. They haven't paid me for anything. Like, I could literally talk bad about their bottle if I wanted to. But I loved it. Best vodka I've honestly had. Like, it probably compares to like Grey Goose, if not better. There you go. Oh, get a shot of vodka. Put it in there. You know what? I usually like it with more, so I'm just gonna do 2. Do everything double, honestly. There we go. Just run down the bottle. Miss 1 week video, this is what happens. And then get your blue Curacao. I'm just using Bock. Just basic cheap. Gets the job done. Usually it's just 1 part as well, but I'm gonna do 2. That gives us blue coloring. Cheap. Yeah, might as well. I'll do 2. Alright. There's that. Real basic. And then just to finish it off, get your Sprite, put it in there, fill it up. Some people usually just throw it in a cocktail shaker or whatever, but I've done it like that before personally and it doesn't make any difference. So just stir it around with the straw. Done. There you go. Okay, yeah, it does need the extra booze. Tastes a lot better. See you in the next one.